Okay. Read loud too. Read loud. Read.
Ye are of God, little children, and have overcome them, because greater is he that is in you than he that is in the world.
Read it loud, Jonah. Read it loud.
They are of the world, therefore speak they of the world, and the world hate them. We are of God, he that knoweth God heart us. He that is not of God hurt not us. Beloved, let us love one another, for love is God, and everyone to the love is born as of God and knows God.
Okay, she's gonna read the verse 8. Verse 8.
He that loveth not God, for God is love.